In first phase, building the data warehouse, we only need to create two data tables. The first is the data table used to store order information, called order management. The second is the data table used to store product catalog information, called product management. In phase 2, creating employees, we only need to create 2 employees to help run the store, or in other words, create 2 app scripts to help automate store management. The first employee manages order information, called the order management script. This person will work with the order information data table. The second employee manages product catalog information, called the product management script. This person will work with the product catalog data table. Phase 3, creating the store page. In this phase, we will design the store page's front page and then publish the store page to Google Sites. Now we will start phase 1, building the data warehouse. We just need to copy the 2 pre-created Google Sheet files according to the template. First, after purchasing our solution, you will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the attached Google Drive folder. 2 Google Sheet files are already there. Copy these 2 files one after the other. The system will then automatically create 2 more files belonging to you. Wait a few seconds for the system to finish creating them, then access your Google Sheet. In the Google Sheet Management interface, you will see the 2 files you copied earlier. You should rename these 2 files for easier management. You can add your store's name. For example, in this video, we will change it to My Store before the name, and we'll use these Google Sheet files throughout the tutorial. We now have 2 Google Sheet files, one for storing order information and one for storing product catalog information. This completes first phase, building the data warehouse.